GoodData offers both code-first and low-code capabilities for managing the analytics content lifecycle. First, here is GoodData's UI interface to manage administrative tasks like security, tenancy, environment promotion, etc. Our code-first capabilities are particularly powerful for an ABI platform. Everything in GoodData is a YAML/JSON file which can be versioned in CI/CD systems like Gitlab. We offer a Python SDK and both declarative and imperative APIs that allow developers to manage everything in GoodData via code, including environment promotion, versioning, rollback, configuration changes, tenant management, security, and even content creation. We also offer a plugin for the popular VS Code IDE, which lets developers preview changes immediately before committing code. Any action taken in one paradigm is automatically available in the other, which lets low-code and code-first users collaborate to build and scale effectively.